If I told you YouTube ads will make you a billionaire, then you would probably laugh in my face. But at least I can tell you the ultimate YouTube ads affiliate marketing method. Step 1, create a YouTube advertising account. Boom. Step 2 is sign up to become an affiliate for my top offer here. This is the top offer, the Money Accelerator. I give tons of value inside, just tons of freaking courses inside, tons of leads inside, tons of powerful bonuses inside. This is the best offer ever created for the Make Money Online niche. You get paid recurring commissions 50% every single time you get someone to sign up for this offer. And it's always getting better and better and better. I'm adding more every single month. It's a good way to jumpstart your success with YouTube advertising. Try to get the free Google Ads coupon. I Googled it because this is the best thing to do. Sometimes the Google Ads coupon can be here, it can be there. You just have to find it and you can have like $100 free Google Ads promo code to spend on your advertising. Just do your best to find it and you might find it. Step 4, pick from any of my top videos here you can run as YouTube ads successfully and get conversions and sales to your affiliate link. And one of the best things you could do for this method is be ready for all my new videos and run them as ads. And you could be one of the first people to basically get in front of new people for that video and get sales. So here's some of the top videos I recommend. This video right here is super good for YouTube advertising. This video right here is super good for YouTube advertising. This video right here. This video right here as well. This video right here. This video. 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 This video for sure. And all my future videos, guys, that I put out, if you are quick to take advantage of promoting those videos, you are going to get sales and make money by getting in front of new people before other people do. I'm going to be making better videos. I'm going to be making the Money Accelerator even better, and everything's going to get better. It's going to be lit. Here's step 5 of how to set up the Google ad campaigns. Go right here, click this right here, then go right here for the video, press continue. It's loaded, it's loaded, it's loaded. Name it whatever you want. Then give it a campaign total. I recommend for you, give it like $100, $50, whatever you're comfortable with to get started. Remember, you get paid $50 commissions per sale. It's recurring commissions. Pick how long you want the ad to run for. You can have it run for like 5 days. A good thing to do is all countries and territories, or the best selling traffic source is United States, but it can be more expensive. And so if you just want to get started, one of the best things to do is just do worldwide. It'll be way cheaper. Now for devices right here, and you want to not do TV screens, doesn't convert that well. And then for demographics, usually males from 18 all the way to like 45 years old does the best. And then usually not parent does the best too. But you can leave all this very broad if you choose to. You want to kind of have like the higher household incomes, but you can test with different household incomes if you choose to. Next, you want to pick keywords that would be congruent with the Money Accelerator. So you do keywords like make money online, affiliate marketing. Test different keywords such as drop shipping and different ways of making money online. And you just test different keywords and you're gonna have major success. Try to really do research on different type of keywords that are outside these keywords, because people watching this video right now that you're watching, they're gonna probably do these keywords. And so if you do keywords outside of these, you can really stand out. Now you want to select a video. Boom, here's a video. We copy the link, we paste it, and then you want to do in-stream skippable ads. This is if you're running my videos, or if you have your own videos to run that you make to promote the Money Accelerator, you could do in-feed videos, you could do in-stream video ads, but in-stream video ads are the skippable ads right here, where people skip, or they watch, and they click. And so basically, you're going to put your affiliate link right here. Copy your affiliate link, and then paste your affiliate link right here. The best headline you can put for an in-stream ad is just saying what it is. So saying the Money Accelerator. Now a good thing to put here is like what the offer is. It's a new course, or it's a new program, new membership, things like that. And then for here, a good call to action to put is like urgency, like hurry. So people then have a reason to take action right then. Next, the best bid to put, you can just put $1, it's fine. It's not going to spend $1 per view, but it keeps you competitive in bidding. On average, it's going to cost around just 1 cent all the way to 5 cents, 6 cents per view. And after everything's good and you've checked everything and everything's lit, then you just go down here and you press create campaign. Boom, why not? I'm going to create the campaign. Continue, and you're good, and it's ready to run. So step 6 is how to scale. And here's the campaign here I just kind of put together to show you guys, which I'm going to run it. Basically, this is how you scale. You look at your data when it's running, especially your data for the ads itself. All the ads you're split testing, look at the ads, their view rate. Right here is where you're going to see the view rate. And if it's a really high view rate compared to your other videos, then you're going to want to run with that. If it has a low cost per click right here, then you're going to definitely want to run with it, because your goal is to send clicks to your affiliate link. And then you want to go over here to content, and you want to see which keywords you are targeting that were doing the very best, which ones have the highest view rate, and which keywords are getting you the highest clicks. This is important, yeah. And then after you look at all the data, and you know what's working, then you go ahead and you make a new campaign with the best working data that you're seeing. For example, based off the household income, you can see the data of which household income is getting the highest clicks. So when I'm able to see the data here, I'm going to be able to see the highest view rate, the household incomes that I'm targeting, and then I'll just make a new campaign with the best household income for the video I'm running. And then parental status as well, if I was running it broad with all these different targetings here. Same for gender. If you're going broad with the gender, then you can see which one to target that would do best. And then same with age. And then just double down on what's working the best, and it's going to be way more effective for your advertising. Step 7 is a disclaimer here. So test with $50 to $100 to get a sale, and then optimize from there. So if you get a sale, you can optimize. If you don't get a sale, don't worry about it. Like, even if you're using like a coupon, that's really good because you can possibly get free money essentially by getting a sale just by doing free advertising basically with a coupon code. If you're not getting sales with one video you test, try to test with different videos and see what happens. Also, if you are quick before other people and you see a new video from me and you run it as an in-stream ad, then you can possibly see a lot of success doing that. It's good to just test. Now, another disclaimer to mention here, paid ads can be risky and paid ads can sometimes be a big headache. I do recommend do free methods for promoting the Money Accelerator because it's free and you can get sales very easily doing that with no risk. Now, step 8 is a pro tip. Be ready for all my new future videos, and when they come up, you can be one of the first people to run ads to them, or you can go ahead and download them and re-upload them because they're Creative Commons videos, and you can basically run discovery ads to your own videos on your own channel. And step 9, one of the best tips is if you make your own videos relevant to making money online and you run those videos as discovery ads, then you can see major success doing that with this for sure. Plus, you get to put money into growing your channel, and it's your channel, and it could just make you a ton of money. So guys, follow this whole method step by step. You're going to see results. This is the ultimate YouTube ads affiliate marketing method that I can give you right now. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and peace. Woo!